My name is Stuart McCutcheon from Siemens Digital Industry Software. I'm the Global Vice President, and one of my key projects is the Industrial Metaverse. I'm going to show you a demonstration today of a project we've been doing jointly between AWS and our customer PepsiCo. We digitized 3 different facilities for PepsiCo in the Dallas area, and we optimized the flow of the materials between the different plants. We basically brought all the information into a single pane of glass, all running on AWS, and multiple applications within one single environment. We optimized the current state. We then created this environment that allows you to fly through in real time. One of the key things then is to be able to what if and do future states. So if you actually change the date in the demo here right now, you can actually see the future state where we actually dropped in a Gatorade line into the existing facility. This is a completely digital twin of the environment. We can look at IoT connectivity data, KPIs. We even go deep into the simulations of what happens, for instance, in the mixing of the Gatorade mixing tank. And as you fly through the different facilities, we can look at different KPIs, we can look at information, we can use AI to actually do what-if scenarios, ask questions of detailed information across different data sources. This allows us to predict things in the future, and this is an example of predictive maintenance. Once we've got this, we can look at this complete supply chain of the future state and really work out where we're going to go in the future for optimization. All this information is brought together into a single environment where you can optimize it and create the digital twin of the complete factories and simulations. This is the Industrial Metaverse at PepsiCo, where there will be a digital twin of every factory.